Oga, no, they talk that one. No, even go that side. They say na that one they sweet and pass because na that time the thing go they well three. He go they go inside, they come outside.
With blood.
You don't know my husband. I wish saying go just come back, he will see him.
So last week, the same boss inside my inbox for Facebook, and they tell me one kind story. Now the story there word to me, you understand? I come back and say, make I come. You understand? More I use when I hear the story by when I say, you understand? If I hear the story, more I comment. But for me, the story they do me one kind. Not be waiting me go use my mouth talk. Now why I find and come, you understand? So we will go meet the woman. She go use her mouth tell the story as the story won't be. Then anything where you feel, say you want to advise her or you want comment, I beg, I go to wait for her for comment section, you understand? Now here she dey stay, so you go see her now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name now.
No, don't say your name, you understand? Because we will keep your identity confidential. So don't say your name.
Okay. I get your number from Facebook. And they see your post, they see how you dey talk. I say make I send you message. I collect your number from Facebook. Say make I send you message. Make you come help me. Make you help me take the whole. Make they help me. Anything where they want talk. Make they just give me advice on what to do. I don't tire. My husband they sleep with me anyhow for this house. Every day, anytime, he they sleep with me. If you not sleep with me for like 1 week, for like seven times a day.
Wait, get like your husband they knock you 7 times a day.
7 times a day, or girl, 7 times a day. If you no do at all, 3 times a day. If in week.
Okay, the day where in week where you no do at all.
The day where in week where you no want do anything at 3 times.
That husband waiting in they do.
Na keke ride down.
In they drive keke.
In they drive keke.
So if they drive, you can still get enough. That 7 times now, like from night to morning or the whole day. Because if you get something where they do now, you suppose they go work in the morning, come back in the night. And person come back in the night, suppose tired now.
No be my husband, they ask that one. He go work. Any small thing, he don't come back. Gun they knock me. I don't tire.
Wait, he go come out to work in the morning.
He go come out to work around 7. Before 9 o'clock, he don't come back on do. Before 11, he don't come back on do again. Before he go come back for night. For night, he go come back around 7. He go do like 3 times before he go sleep.
But if you ask me, that one no be family problem now. Because I don't say he gets some married women where their husband know they touch. Where their husband they sex staff self, where they complain. Your own say your husband they do an excess.
Oh God. You don't go understand. It dey excess. Person will go wife for a day 7 times. Okay, break. I don't.
For how long? When I don't marry.
Don't marry for this August. Go make 9 years now. When we don't marry.
This year August. Go make
9 years.
How many children I get?
3.
When I don't born 3.
We don't born 3 children.
And the way you take the knock you, there's possibility say when I go still born more now.
We go still born more. My money no day. Money no day. I go they born all these children. They know they go school. We just day. Me I know they do anything. You go just every time you go come back they sleep with me. Say make I know they come out outside. I don't go my mama house. They don't pursue me. Say marriage now for better and for worse. I don't tell my mama. She say, and I'm waiting my husband supposed they do me now. But this one don't do too much. Now why I can't collect your number? Say make you help me.
wait. But you don't sit down your husband down like full and talk, like discuss say okay your libido dey too much. Why not just calm down? If you go they do I'm like once every week or twice every week.
The time why I attempt make I talk to Ramon, he want beat me. Say make I not talk that thing again. Say the reason why he marry me now to the born children to the sleep with them. Make I know they do anything. Make I not even try talk about not doing anything again.
But you prefer say your husband go outside, go they collect, than say they here they sleep with you. Because he get many, I know many women will be say their husband they sleep outside. And once your husband begin to sleep outside, to even look you, touch you now, no problem. For me, if you ask me, I don't know what in audience want talk or comment. But for your husband to show you that still they touch you, they sleep with you, that means you don't get anybody somewhere.
Oh girl, if my husband want go outside, make him go outside. Me, I don't tire. My whole body they pepper me. And this one, this nag no be say he go do 2 minutes, he don't come down. This one na 45 minutes, 1 hour. If you don't tire na 45 minutes, sometimes na 1 hour 30 minutes.
In they drink anything?
I don't know if they drink anything. I never see him with drugs. If they take him outside, I don't know.
Your husband dey smoke?
You know they smoke. I don't know what thing they do my husband. I don't know if the thing. I don't know, Oga. Now why I call you, make the whole world help me. I don't tire. I don't tire.
That your husband are from where?
Now from Abia State.
From Abia?
Yes, sir.
Now, wow. Anyway, the only thing where I got tell you be say, you no get family when no get their own problem. You understand? This thing now will be your problem. You get person where go they pray, maybe say that this kind of problem where you get. You understand? What I know be say your husband, the libido they high. The libido they high. If this story now true, but I would say your husband did, or I feel come any other day, still meet him. You understand? Make I meet him, no. But I know say this kind of story now high libido than the current. But for husband to dey knock you 7 times, 5 times every day, I don't say high libido like mad, but 5 times, 7 times, his sperm go don't finish now. Okay, if you do your period, don't company. At least if you do your period, now that period is supposed to get time rest now.
Oga, no, they talk that one. No, even go that side. They say na that one they sweet and pass because na that time the thing go they work. He go they go inside. They come outside.
With blood.
You don't know my husband. I wish say he go just come back. He will see him.
With blood.
With blood though, in they do am all the time, anytime, both period though, no period though. In they sleep with me, they knock me anywhere you see. The one where they pay me now, the time when in blood and marry for Abuja. You can't say we go use night bus. For night bus, they stop us when we go ease ourselves for inside bush. This man can't hold me, you can't start to sleep with me.
I beg, you don't do, I beg. No, I go like me this your husband though. He's supposed to be my mentor, I swear. Don't decide they laugh you. I don't say that serious matter, but the story there funny. Anyway, the viewers go watch you, they go comment. At least I know say you get some people where don't reach like 10 years for marriage, 15 years for marriage. You understand? Me, I never tweeted. Now this year go still make me 3rd year by October self. I'm just 2 years plus. You understand? But for the little experience where I get, na issue, but not be that kind issue. You understand? Now waiting you and your husband go join body, go meet person where go cancel on that. They go tell your husband make a pipe low. You understand? Or if possible, self, if you go marry 3 wives, 4 wives.
Make him marry, oh. Make him marry, oh.
But person they drive keke where I want see money maintain 3 wives, 4 wives. Because that kind of person get high libido. Now may just go marry if not 3 wives, 4 wives. Maybe they shuffle them. You understand? Now viewers now don't hear them. Now the matter where carry me come here this early moment with this. Inbox me inside DM, tell me say see what I say say I must come. Oh. You understand? So as soon as I don't watch them now, I beg, make una comment, una advice. You understand? Anything where they talk, you man, they follow me. You can see I'm there. I get your permission to post them, Abby.
You can post it now. You can post it, Oga. Why I call you?
I know say I go keep your identity confidential. You understand? Makada mama. You understand? But thank you very much. But follow your husband talk. You understand? I go like come meet him. I go like come back here. You understand? If possible, meet your husband. Make I hear his own part of story. You understand? No be say I know the talk say you they lie you understand? But on a normal judgment, they only hear from one person. Maybe you get waiting in they take outside. Or I don't know. Or maybe in a high libido. Sure, you must get his own reason. You understand? Then go know how we go take to her.
Thank you, Oga.
Oh yeah, now thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for coming.
All right, thank you.